Okay, so good morning, I'm Guy. Just to give you a rundown of the equipment I use, just note that I am not paid or sponsored by any of these brands. This is my personal choice only. So on my watch, I have a Coros watch. So this gives a sort of GPS of the route we're going. I can download that from OS Maps. I've got the Coros Apex there, it's about 270 quid. The battery life on these is really good, so if you do ultras, you won't have to charge this at all. On my head, I've got the Icebug cap, so this goes with the shoes as well. So Icebug are a new company on the block. They've been around for a few years, but they make all their products out of recycled ocean plastic, so quite environmentally friendly. So I've got the Icebug Arcuses there. They're really comfy, really wide sort of foot, and they stock them at the Surrey Trek and Run shop. There will give you a very good overview of what the shoe is, how to fit it, and he'll let you go for a test run if you want to check it out. So on my back, I've got Salomon trail running pack. It's about 12 litres. It's used for mostly ultras, but it's about 100 quid, and then 2 bottles there. It's got loads of pouches for phones, keys, wallets, etc. And the usual nutrition I use, so I've got Active Root Sports Energy Drink. So again, they're a new kid on the block. They use ginger as a main ingredient, which has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It's really good. And for any sort of quick energy bursts, I use the Sis Gels. Very sparingly, don't go too heavy on them, but if you're really flagging, they are quite good.
Morning, right?